Choosing perennial plants for areas with full sun exposure is challenging, but there are a wide range of possibilities, as many plants thrive in these conditions. Be specific to choose a low-water, drought-tolerant plants adapted to arid conditions. This video is going to share 15 best plants that can handle 6+ hours of direct sun exposure and blooms colorful flowers for spring season to fall. If you are looking for sun-loving perennials, this video is for you. Yarrow, scientifically known as Achillea, is a beautiful and hardy perennial. It is adaptable to a wide range of growing conditions and thrives in full sun to partial shade. It is deer-resistant and relatively pest-free. Long-blooming flower clusters in colors of yellow, white, pink, and red are attractive to butterflies and pollinators. Ornamentally, yarrow adds color, texture, and pollinator-friendly benefits to the garden, making it a popular choice for both formal and informal landscapes. If you are enjoying the content of this video, please drop a like to this video for channel encouragement. Subscribe to House Talks if you are interested in garden plants and landscaping ideas. Catmint, scientifically known as Nepeta, is a versatile and attractive perennial plant that adds beauty and fragrance to the garden while also attracting beneficial pollinators. Catmint typically grows in mounds of soft, gray-green foliage, with spikes of small tubular flowers that can range in color from lavender blue to white, depending on the variety. It is drought-tolerant and relatively low-maintenance perennial to add wonderful colors from spring season to fall. Spanish lavender, a lovely perennial plant appreciated for its unique flowers and aromatic foliage. Lavender features narrow, aromatic leaves that are gray-green in color, providing year-round interest. It produces attractive spikes of small, fragrant flowers in shades of purple, blue, and pink. It is a drought-tolerant plant, a perfect choice for containers as well as front yard garden. And the best part is, contrast gray-green foliage of lavender plant goes well with most of the evergreens. Salvia, also known as meadow sage, is a sun-loving perennial. Typically produces upright spikes of small, tubular flowers in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white, depending on the cultivar. With its long-lasting blooms and easygoing nature, it's a popular choice for gardeners looking to create beautiful and sustainable landscapes. Growth habit of salvia makes it a wonderful perennial choice for front yard garden areas where sun exposure is more than 6 hours per day. Veronica speedwell, a versatile and attractive perennial plant, valued for their attractive flowers and low-maintenance nature. Veronica plants typically feature spikes or clusters of small, tubular flowers that bloom in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white, depending on the species and cultivar. Speedwell perennial adds continuous blooms, starting from late spring to end of the summer season. It is a perfect sun-loving plant for sun-exposed landscape areas. Blazing star, scientifically known as liatris, is a beautiful and versatile perennial plant that adds color, texture, and pollinator-friendly benefits to the garden. Blazing star plants produce tall, slender spikes, feathery flowers that bloom from top to bottom in shades of purple and pink, giving the plant a unique and eye-catching appearance. This is good choice for corner areas of the front yard areas, if you are looking for tall perennial plant with wonderful flowers. Sedum autumn joy, commonly known as stonecrop, is a popular perennial plant valued for its reliable performance, attractive foliage, and long-lasting blooms. The flowers emerge during summer season and gradually change color as they mature, creating a beautiful gradient effect. Overall, Sedum autumn joy is a versatile and attractive perennial plant that adds color, texture, and pollinator-friendly benefits to the garden. Succulent-type foliage in thick green color adds a contrasting color to front yard landscaping. Newer autumn joy varieties comes with variegated leaves, which adds a striking foliage to the garden areas. Candytuft, scientifically known Iberis, is a delightful perennial plant known for its profusion of tiny, clustered flowers and its evergreen foliage. In spring to early summer, it produces dense clusters of small, four-petaled flowers that come in shades of white, pink, or purple, depending on the cultivar. Candytuft thrives in full sun to partial shade, and prefers well-drained soil. The flowers create a carpet-like effect, covering the plant in a blanket of color. Echinacea, commonly known as coneflower, is a popular perennial, valued for its easy-to-grow, long-blooming, stunning colorful flowering options. It comes in glorious shades of pink, orange, yellow and red, as well as a range of flower forms. Coneflowers generally bloom from early to late summer, adding a splash of color to the garden. The flowers are often fragrant and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. A popular choice perennial to add wide range of colors during summertime. Black-eyed Susan, scientifically known as Rudbeckia, is a drought-tolerant perennial. It is valued for its long-blooming daisy-like flowers in rich tones of gold, bronze, and brown. Black-eyed Susan plants typically feature bright yellow or orange-yellow, daisy-like flowers with dark brown or black centers, which give them their distinctive appearance. It is a low-maintenance perennial, with habit of long-blooming flowers, a perfect companion perennial for most garden plants. Phlox paniculata, commonly known as garden phlox, or perennial phlox, is a popular flowering perennial plant, cherished for its abundant and colorful blooms. Phlox paniculata typically grows in clumps, features lance-shaped leaves, and flowers form dense clusters at the top of the stems. Colors range from white to shades of pink, purple, and red, with some varieties featuring bicolored or striped petals. It is one of the popular perennial plant to add beautiful pink flowers to front yard garden. Asiatic lilies, scientifically known as Lilium asiatica, are a popular group of lilies, appreciated for their vibrant colors, elegant blooms, and ease of cultivation. Asiatic lilies produce stunning, upward-facing flowers on sturdy stems, in shades of yellow, orange, pink, and red. The foliage is typically lance-shaped and arranged alternately along the stem. It is an easy-to-grow perennial plant, and adaptable to most soil conditions. Tickseed, also known by its botanical name Coreopsis, is a low-maintenance perennial plant, known for its daisy-like flowers and airy foliage. The flowers are daisy-like with a prominent central disc, comes in shades of yellow and orange, depending on the species and cultivar. This long-blooming perennial blooms profusely from late spring to fall, adding vibrant color to the garden. Allium, also known as ornamental onion, a must-have garden plant, to enjoy the lovely-looking globular flowers during summer season, and to grab other benefits. They typically feature round or oval-shaped flowers, in shades of purple, pink and blue, depending on type of allium plant. Alliums are pollinator-friendly benefits to the garden, and repels pesky insects, such as mosquitoes, as well as aphids. And unique ball-shaped blooms add special attraction to the garden beds. Anise hyssop, scientifically known as agastache, typically grows in clumps, with upright stems and lance-shaped leaves with aromatic scent. The flowers are produced in dense spikes at the top of the stems, and come in shades of lavender and purple. Anise hyssop is also valued for its medicinal properties and is used in herbal medicine to soothe digestive issues. Growing zones are 4 to 8, and it prefers full sun. I hope you feel content of this video is useful. Please like the video for channel encouragement. If you are interested in garden videos, please subscribe to House Talks channel. A new video will be added on every Saturday. Thank you, have a great day.